Every night you spend 8 hours lying in bed, eyes closed, breathing steady. You assume you are resting. But the truth is, your brain is experiencing crazy overtime. This is not rest. It is a precise cerebral revolution. According to UC Berkeley Sleep Science Center, when you fall asleep, your brain activity is actually higher, 30% more active than when you are awake. Yes, you heard that right. Sleep is not a shutdown state. It is a different operating mode entirely. Even more shocking is our species anomaly. Humans are the only species that do this. We actively deprive ourselves of sleep. In nature, animals prioritize sleep instinctively. Only we sacrifice it for entertainment, work, play, or doom scrolling. By the end, you will understand 3 core issues. First, why sleep is a productivity tool. Not a waste of time, but an engine. Second, how to boost memory by 50% and skyrocket your creativity. Third, the secrets of the ultra-successful, what they do not want to tell you. Let us start with the most counterintuitive point. Most believe sleep is a system shutdown, but the reality is the exact opposite. 2017, University of Wisconsin Sleep Lab. They had volunteers learn complex dance moves. One group slept, the other pulled an all-nighter. 24 hours later, the results were tested. The sleep group performed 40% better. But that is not the most magical part. Sleep reorganizes and consolidates data. Think of your brain like a computer. During the day, you collect data randomly. Night is for processing and analysis. Sleep is the ultimate defragmentation, like a librarian working the night shift. Sorting, classifying, and indexing. Without this, finding info is impossible. Harvard expert Charles Czeisler puts it bluntly. It is like saying charging your phone is a waste. You cannot run on a permanent power cord. The brain requires offline maintenance. Now let us discuss the cost of neglect. This is not alarmism, it is fact. 1989, a brutal Soviet experiment. Rats were deprived of REM sleep entirely. The results were bone-chilling. Total immune system collapse, organ failure, and temperature deregulation. REM deprivation killed them faster than starvation. For humans, the stakes are just as high. 6 hours sleep raises heart risk by 48%, stroke risk up 15%, diabetes up 30%. But here is the vanity metric, obesity. Sleep deprivation kills your appetite control. Hunger hormones spike by 28%. You become biologically wired to crave junk. That is why late nights mean fried food. 2014, a tragedy on Wall Street. An analyst worked 72 hours straight. He collapsed, heart failure at 32. His system was like a car never serviced. Shiny on the outside, broken on the inside. Now, let us get to the good news. How to supercharge your intelligence. Matthew Walker calls sleep a superpower. Phase 1. Deep slow-wave sleep. Moving memories from short-term to long-term. Without this, memories wash away like sand. Phase 2. Rapid eye movement. REM. Connecting unrelated ideas. This is the engine of insight. Mendeleev struggled with the periodic table until he dreamed of a snake biting its tail. He woke up and the structure was clear. Einstein chased light beams in his dreams. Relativity was born in the unconscious. Paul McCartney heard yesterday in his sleep. Neuroscience confirms this magic. Logic centers go offline during REM. The association network goes wild, making connections impossible in waking life. Now the secrets of the elite, the habits they rarely discuss. Sleep is their silent competitive advantage. It is not a luxury, it is a weapon. Step into the light of better sleep and wake up to a new version of you. Sweet dreams.